How to get promo codes for Walmart. I'm going to show you 5 different ways. The first one will be signing up for Walmart's email newsletter. You want to subscribe to Walmart's email list on their website. They often send out exclusive promo codes, deals, and offers to email subscribers. Second one will be checking third-party coupon websites like Honey, Groupon, and those that I've listed. Download the Walmart app. You want to install the Walmart app and turn on notifications. Walmart sometimes sends app exclusive deals, promo codes, or early access to sales via push notifications. The fourth method will be using browser extensions like Honey or this other one. They can automatically find and apply the best promo codes for you at checkout. And the last one will be following Walmart on social media. So you want to keep an eye on Walmart's social media accounts. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. They often post special promotions, flash sales, or giveaways that include promo codes. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.